This video will teach you one of the most important skills that anyone can ever possess. Make sure to watch until the very end for a piece of advice that will change your way of thinking. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dana Jean Antonelli. I'm a certified etiquette consultant. In this channel, I share a mix of content on personal development, modern etiquette, and my personal style. So if these topics interest you, please do subscribe to my channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's a game changer in both your personal and professional life, and I'm talking about time management. I've been thinking about doing this video for quite some time now. A colleague of mine had left the company we work for, and I ended up by myself with a workload for a few months, so time management was my best friend. So buckle up as we delve into why it's so crucial, and I will be sharing a few practical tips to help you master the art of time management. Now, why is time management such a big deal? Well, think of it as the secret sauce to a more organized, productive, and stress-free life. Time is a limited resource and is something that we can never take back. So how we use it directly impacts our success and overall well-being. Let's talk about the benefits. Efficient time management leads to increased productivity, reduced stress levels, improved focus, and perhaps most importantly, a better work-life balance. It's about working smarter, not harder. Now I have 7 tips that will help you manage your time better. So let's get to it. Tip number 1, prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal, so you want to identify your most important ones and tackle them first. This ensures that you're focusing on what truly matters and will prevent the feeling of being overwhelmed. Number 2, set realistic goals. Ambition is fantastic, but setting unattainable goals can lead to frustration. So you want to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make your goals more achievable and honestly less daunting. Number 3, you want to create a schedule. Invest in a good calendar or a planner and allocate specific time slots for your tasks, meetings, and even your breaks. Stick to your schedule as much as possible to develop a routine that's perfect for you. Number 4, learn to say no. While it's tempting to take on tasks and other opportunities, saying no is a powerful skill. Politely decline commitments that don't align with your priorities. Should you happen to free up earlier than scheduled and you're feeling ambitious, then go ahead and take on another task. But remember, it's about protecting your time and maintaining your focus. Number 5, limit distractions. In our hyper-connected world, distractions are everywhere. Identify and minimize them, whether it's turning off notifications or designating specific times for social media. This helps you stay more focused and more productive. Number 6, delegate your tasks. You don't have to do it all alone. Recognize when it's appropriate to ask for help. It not only will lighten your workload, but also empowers others to contribute and grow. Number 7, review and adjust regularly. Now, what works today might need tweaking tomorrow, so periodically assess your time management strategies, stay adaptable, and refine your approach as needed. Now, as we wrap up this video, remember that mastering time management isn't just a skill, it's really a mindset. By applying these tips, you're not just managing your time, but you're taking control of your life. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, if you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more etiquette tips and personal development content. And as always, stay fabulous and well-mannered. I wanted to end this video with a quote by Michelangelo that you can tuck in the back of your mind. There is no greater harm than that of time wasted. Now, until next time, I'll see you on my next video.